meaningful when it's not just about oneself, but about leaving a positive mark on every situation and person encountered. My inherently selfless nature drives me to help others in my own little ways. With my vocation rooted in selfless acts towards assisting others. As the elected president of year 2023 of JCI Cagayan City, my focus extends far beyond personal gain. I am dedicated to uplifting and guiding every individual to become an active citizen. And I look forward to continuing our shared pursuit of creating a positive impact and lasting change. Once again, my name is Sheila Emmanuel Tineresa, 22nd President of JCI Cagayan City, presiding over the year 2023, is now signing off.
Together with my fellow members, senators, board of directors, I am certain that through our collective efforts, we will make a positive difference in the lives of others. As I guide our chapter forward hand in hand, I leave a heartfelt message to my fellow DCI members, inspired by the lyrics, "These are the days worth living, these are the years worth given, and these are the moments, these are the times, let's make the best out of our lives." Thank you and have a wonderful evening.